one. Okay, find the fault. Right there. Check the thermistor reading. Okay. 1 k ohm. This one out already. Cannot be so low. Right? Another one? Yellow?
2 pin.
Yes. 16. Correct? Another one?
Okay.
The yellow? 20. 21. Okay. Still okay.
Okay.
The blue one out already. You see 1 point something, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The white color is in. Blue color is out. Out, that means this suction pipe, I think.
Okay.
The double component, the 16, see?
Okay.
The range is around 16. The 21 also no good, but still can use, I think. Okay, move. 19, okay, quite okay. Yeah, the error code is accurate. 12. This one reading also out already, but still can use. Okay, you check back the blue color. The blue color, white color clip, right? Wait, white color clip, the blue color wire, the thermistor. Later we check. Then you measure one more time. 1 by something, right? The reading out already. Okay, 1 by 1 kilo ohm. Okay, this cost the indoor error code E559, outdoor error code E332. Okay. White color is discharge pipe thermistor clip. Blue color is suction pipe. Okay, blue color the insulation, blue color the insulation, black color, correct? White color clip, the insulation is white color. Okay, the insulation black color is suction, white color is discharge pipe. Okay, this is a blue color. This is a 40 thermistor. Yeah. This is brand Samsung inverter aircon. Smart inverter. The error code, indoor unit error code is E559. E559 means outdoor unit, outdoor condenser unit have another error code. But what we found at outdoor error code is E332. E332. We found the discharge pipe unit A thermistor 40. Now we temporarily we use a Daikin thermistor for temporary use. This is side of it, not the residential unit. We just for temporary use first, then replace the new part. Okay. We check the reading first. This is a used thermistor for customer temporary use. I check the reading. 16 kilo ohm. Okay. You right? Okay. Power on. Power on. Okay. Why no green light? I have. Okay. Error no more, right? Okay, power on. No more error. Both on. CU. FCU both on. No, wait 3 minutes. We just power on. Hey, got error there. E199. Another error. Another. Okay, press the K1 button. Maybe just now got record or not? Maybe no record there. Okay, the red color pin is K1 button. Press to reset. This is K5. K5 on the screen. The pipe check typically takes 15 to 20 minutes in cooling mode and can take up to 60 minutes in heating mode. Okay, now is a K50. Indoor generic number 3. Indoor come up number 3. From beginning, just now I reset. Show number 3, right? Okay. The indoor show 3. Now outdoor unit, the fan motor is running. Now fan is running. Compressor not yet. Now K50. Okay, after replace the gas pipe thermistor, now compressor is running. Running amp is a 6.1. Okay. Hi, hello, I'm board. This is Samsung DC inverter. 2 indoor unit and 1 outdoor condensing unit. The error code E1. The error code is a E559 indoor unit. Outdoor unit is a E332. We found is a discharge pipe thermistor 40. Discharge pipe unit A thermistor 40. After replace the thermistor, the aircon working fine. Okay, for Samsung inverter, after you repair, if you found the error code E199, please press the K1 button until the 7 segment light come up K5. Okay. After that, we'll auto reset. Wait 15 to 20 minutes until the outdoor fan motor running, and inside show number 3. The fan coil unit will show number 3. Okay. When press the K1 button, this test run finish, the aircon will auto off. Okay, you need to use a wireless remote. Either wire remote, you need to on back again. Come. Okay, unit on. The setting temperature. Oh, this is setting temperature 22. This light is normal. Okay, the ampere 3.2. The compressor just start running. I think this is a hertz. Compressor hertz 3435. Compressor up already. The ampere should up. Yeah, 4M 37. Okay, 37, 38, 39, 38, 39. The ampere increase 4.7, 42. Yeah, this is a hertz. 44. This is not error. See, I think this is a compressor hertz. Need to double confirm. Any Samsung technician can explain what is a number CC51. Please drop me comment. CC51, 52. I think it's a hertz, compressor hertz. Now 7M.